You ever look at your bank account and think, we're slammed with work, so where's all the money? Or maybe your P&L says you're profitable, but you're still sweating payroll every other week. This is the first video in our Auto Repair Financial Mastery series, your step-by-step guide to understanding your shop's numbers so you can stop guessing and actually grow. We're starting with profit and cash flow because if you don't know what's really coming in and going out, nothing else matters. You can't set goals, price jobs, or plan for the future without a clear look at your actual financial performance. By the end of this video, you'll know how to read your profit and loss statement, understand how cash really moves through your business, and avoid the trap of being profitable on paper, but broke in real life. Let's start with the basics. Your profit and loss statement, also called an income statement, shows how much your shop is making or losing over a set period. It breaks down into three core parts. First, revenue, which is your total sales. Then there's the cost of goods sold, things like parts and labor tied directly to each job. And then operating expenses, rent, insurance, marketing, software, admin, payroll, the day-to-day costs of running the shop. Revenue minus cost of goods sold equals gross profit. Gross profit minus expenses equals net profit. And that's your bottom line. But here's the thing, just because the number looks good doesn't mean there's money in the bank. Cash flow tracks when money actually moves in or out of your business. It doesn't care what the job is worth, it only counts what's been paid. So, you might sell a $2,000 job today, but if the customer hasn't paid yet, that's not cash. It's just a promise. And if payroll hits Friday and you don't have the money to cover it, you're in trouble. For most shops, payroll is the biggest expense. If you can't make payroll consistently, your business can't function. That's why cash flow matters even more than your profit number. It's the difference between surviving and shutting down. Think of it like this. Your profit and loss is the scoreboard. Your cash flow is whether you can stay in the game. You can be profitable over the quarter, but if your cash runs out this week, the game's over. Here's a trap a lot of shop owners fall into. They use daily loans or advances just to keep the lights on. Don't do it. You should never use debt to operate your business, only to invest in future growth. Here's where shops go wrong. Forgetting about loan payments or large one-time costs. Waiting too long to collect payments. Overbuying inventory. Treating your profit and loss like your bank account balance. Just because it says you made a profit doesn't mean you actually have money in the bank. Timing, unpaid invoices, or expenses not shown on the profit and loss can throw that off. But the biggest reason your profit and cash don't line up? Owner distributions. When you pull money out of the business for yourself, that doesn't show up on your profit and loss statement because it's not a business expense. But it does hit your cash flow and your balance sheet hard. So you could be looking at a healthy profit on paper while wondering why your bank account is drained. That's why unplanned owner draws can throw everything off, especially if you're not forecasting for them. All of these issues can make your business look profitable while your actual cash situation tells a much different story. If this sounds familiar, grab our free auto repair accounting kit. It's linked in the description below. It's full of checklists and tools that'll help you get your arms around cash flow, profit, and everything in between. So to recap, your profit and loss shows profit. Your cash flow shows reality. And if you don't understand both, you're flying blind. Understanding profit and cash flow is where financial mastery starts, but it's not where it ends. In the next video, we'll break down the balance sheet so you can see the true value of your shop, what you own, what you owe, and whether you're actually building wealth or just staying afloat. Don't wait until you're scrambling to make payroll. Get ahead of it now. If you're tired of guessing and want a team that actually helps you understand your numbers, CSI can help. We've been helping auto repair shops like yours for over 50 years. Click the link below to book a free consultation, download the free auto repair accounting kit, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the rest of this series. And again, next up we have the balance sheet, what your shop owns, what it owes, and what that tells you about the true health of your business. Watch that one next, it all ties together.